In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a link from Capstone Connect and put it into Nearpod to make it easy for your students to access our great Capstone interactive ebooks and Pebble Go and Pebble Go Next articles. I'll start by signing in to Capstone Connect. From the Pebble Go page, I click Sign In, enter my username and password, and navigate to the Capstone dropdown, where I'll find the Capstone Connect button, which allows me to search by standards or title. Now, I can choose whether I'm going to search by standards or search by title. If I choose search by title, I'll enter in a keyword in the title of a resource I'm looking for. In this situation, I will look for life cycle. Now, I see everything returned to me that has the word life cycle in its title. You'll see filters across the top to help you find by subject and content area. And if I scroll down, you'll see I have 2 pages of content. If I would like to preview a book or an article before I share the link, all I do is click on the title, and I can preview the Capstone Interactive ebook here in this tab. If I decide that this is the book I would like to use, I'll go back into Capstone Connect, and I'll click on Copy Link. Now that I've clicked on Copy Link, the URL for this book with my specific username and password built into it has been copied to my clipboard, and I'm ready to bring it into Nearpod. Now I'm in my Nearpod account. I have already signed in, and I am ready to create a new Nearpod. I'll click on Create next to Lessons, and I'm going to create a lesson. Here you see your blank Nearpod lesson. Click on the button to add content and activities. Depending on your type of account, you may have different access to different resources in the content and activities area. To get started, I'm going to add in on the content page, web content. Now, I'll be able to enter that URL by pasting it from Capstone Connect. I can click on Test this link, and here I can see it brought me right to that book without having to log in. I'll go back to the Nearpod tab, and I'll click Save. Now, when I want to preview to make sure this looks like I would like it to look with my students, I can click Preview. And when using Nearpod with my students, this will be their experience. They'll be able to click to open this book in their new web page. This is how you search by title. We can go back to the main page of Capstone Connect, and we can search by standards. I'll click Search by Standards. I'll pick my state. I'll pick a subject area and a grade. Now, everything that is returned on this page are things that have resources connected to these standards. In this case, I'm interested in learning more about life cycles. I click the standard that talks more about life cycles, and here I can see that there are Pebble Go articles, instructional materials, and ebooks that are aligned with this standard. Again, I can go ahead and click on the article itself, and here I'm going to preview what it looks like, and I can see that there's a whole article on life cycles. And if I would like to share this, I'll go back to Capstone Connect. I'll click on Copy Link, and now the link with my username and password built into it has been copied. I can go into my Nearpod presentation, and I'll X out of the student preview. I'll add content and activities, and pick the web content option. Here I can paste my Pebble Go link I can test this link, and I can see that it brought me right into the PebbleGo article without having to log in. So I'll go back over here to Nearpod and save. Now I'm back in Nearpod, and I can see that I have a Capstone interactive ebook and a PebbleGo article, both linked in my Nearpod, that I'll easily be able to share with students and guide them to these resources by just clicking the button, and it opens up PebbleGo for them.